The winter snowstorm. It is winter, and the snow is falling heavily outside. Sarah and her family are at home, cozy inside their warm house. Sarah loves the snow, but today it is different. The snow is falling so fast that it's hard to see. The wind is strong, and the trees bend under the weight of the snow. Sarah looks out the window and sees the street covered in snow. The cars are stuck and no one is outside. Sarah's parents are worried about the storm. They turn on the radio and hear that the storm will last all night.
It's going to be a long night,
Sarah's father says. The family stays inside, playing board games, drinking hot cocoa, and telling stories. Even though the snowstorm is fierce outside, they feel safe and warm inside their home. But I have trusted in your steadfast love. My heart shall rejoice in your salvation. Psalm 13 verse 5. Created by CDL-LCS Canada.